So it seems as if I ran out of time on my last video. So anyway, this is Mr. Elrod with another session of AP Human Geography, and I'm continuing on where my last video left off because I got cut off. And what we were discussing in the previous video was the fact that with the reapportionment or redrawing of congressional districts, it's the state Congress or the state legislature that has the opportunity to redraw the state lines every 10 years, and it's done by the majority party in that particular state's Congress. Now, the interesting thing there is that, of course, you can never really foretell 10 years out which party is going to be in the majority because politics really just kind of swings back and forth. But anyway, so drawing the congressional lines to meet the demands or to kind of meet the desires of the majority party. It's not anything new. It's not anything that it's something that is pretty much expected. But you never know who's going to be in the majority 10 years later, and if lines need to be redrawn. So of course, in order to kind of keep things in balance, the majority parties are going to do things that are, I guess maybe to some degree are understandable and make sense and have some rhyme or reason to them. But in some cases, the majority party gets kind of carried away and creates some odd-looking districts in order to, again, either pack or crack the district. Now, you could just Google the word gerrymander, and some fun little congressional districts will pop up all over the country. So it's not like gerrymandering is only located in one part of the country. It's really done everywhere to some degree or another. But here's just some of my favorites that come up when you might Google the term. This one down here in the bottom left, this comes from out of Illinois, Congressional District 4. See the green shaded area? This is all one congressional district, Congressional District 4. And then this is another one in state of North Carolina, Congressional District 12. And you can see kind of the odd line that it follows. So again, this isn't anything that's unique to one state. It's really done all over the place. Some congressional districts are drawn to a little bit stranger degree than others. And if you just Google the term gerrymander, in fact, I might encourage you to do that. Go Google the term gerrymandering, and you'll see all kinds of fun little shapes, and maybe it'll give you even greater displeasure for our politicians and political system than you might already have. All right, anyway, that's all the time that we have for this particular topic on electoral geography. In the next session, we'll be moving on in our topics, and we'll be talking about voting in the United States. Just looking at a very brief history of who is able to vote in the United States. So I hope to see you next time.